Mike Hawk has secured the coveted morning wood. With careful precision, he carries it down the long trail, pausing only to wet just the tip, ensuring his morning wood remains fresh and strong. Packing such an impressive specimen into his tent is no simple task, but with a well-calculated thrust, it slides right in. After a strenuous hunt, Mike Hawk is going to sleep hard tonight. The sun begins to rise, and so does Mike Hawk. Rolling quickly out of bed, he knows he must get a third leg up on his day before the pecker starts pecking and before the squirrel starts nutting. The older Mike Hawk gets, the more exciting it is to wake up with a morning wood. Ah, what a beautiful morning it is.